Taking the celestial show from screen to sky, as an operations team, we take on what their idea is and what their story is, and we plug it into our system. If that all checks out, we then deliver it in physical form within a test.
Oscar, can we get the curtain out of the grid, please?
We have to comply with air regulations. We have to work with the Civil Aviation Authority in the UK, and the regulations are air-specific regulations, so we fall under the same regulations as like British Airways or a private helicopter company. Every regulation that they stipulate on those type of platforms we have to adhere to when we're delivering a swarm show.
When we animate a show like Evolution, we receive the storyboard, and then from the storyboard, that's where we start to interpret the images that we see that have been drawn into drone imagery. Challenges that we have with this are mainly about the number of drones we have to use, the space that we've got in the sky, and things like the speed that drones can move, how close the drones can be together.
I think our audiences will really relate to the material, and it will affect them on some deep subconscious level.
I think it's going to blow their minds away.
It will blow their minds away.
It's going to evolve.
Yeah.